Important abbreviation: school, study center, house of organized learning. Hospital, hospital, house of sick people in trauma and labor. WADA, Water and Power Development Authority. WASA, Water and Sanitation Agency. NADRA, National Database and Registration Authority. SARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. News, Northeast, West, South. ABC, American Broadcasting Company. NRCF, National Rural Support Program. WHO, World Health Organization. WTO, World Trade Organization. UNO, United Nations Organization. CATO, Southeast Organization. PTA, Pakistan Telecommunication